Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your Wi-Fi icon that cannot be connected or is grayed out on your screen. On my case, it is working, but I can still show you how to fix it. This tutorial will be really easy and simple, so make sure that you watch until the end. First thing to do is to simply just turn off your airplane mode. Turn it on and then turn it off. So just do this. Turn it on, wait about 20 seconds, and then turn it back off. After doing it, try to check if your Wi-Fi connection is back. If this method did not help you out, try on this second method. You're going to want to go to Settings and head back to Screen Time. Look for Content and Privacy Restrictions and then turn it off. After doing this, check if your Wi-Fi connection is back. If these methods didn't work, let's hop onto our third method. For the third method, we're gonna go back to the settings menu, go to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap on Reset. You can also reset all settings to surely erase any errors or problems on your iPhone. These methods will surely help you with your Wi-Fi problems, and if it did help you, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments or suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.